Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone so changes are reversible and smooth. Back up your apps and settings now and clear 1 to 2 gigabytes of space so installs don't fail. Once done, enable installing from unknown sources only if required by the Launcher app, then download an iOS-style launcher, an iPhone icon pack, and an iOS-like keyboard. I explain why. The launcher replaces home/launcher behavior, icons change the look, and the keyboard completes the visual match. You now configure the launcher to behave like iOS. Set the new launcher as default and turn off any conflicting OEM home gestures in settings so swipes act predictably. Make sure to apply the icon pack and change the home grid to match iPhone spacing. Often a 4x6 or 4x5 grid works best. Then enable gesture navigation and map gestures to dock, app drawer, and control center replacements. This gives you the correct feel and consistent app placement across screens. You complete the transformation with final touches that sell the illusion. Install a Control Center app and an iOS-style lock screen, then add widgets that mimic iOS Today view. Make sure notifications are allowed and set default apps for messaging, mail, and browser so your flows match iPhone habits. If things go wrong, try clearing the launcher app cache, force stopping it, or reinstalling. This resolves most freezes and layout glitches. If persistent, restore your backup and reapply changes more slowly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.